In this video, I am going to show you how to change username on Twitter. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Open Twitter in your browser. After opening Twitter on your browser, set your browser at desktop side. On Twitter, tap your profile picture. From the menu, tap on Setting and Privacy. Under Account section, find Username. Type your username. After typing your username, tap Save. Try to type a unique username. If your username was taken, it will show you username taken. Here you can see our username has been changed. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe the channel and get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.